Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view all the jobs you've applied for on Indeed. This is a super useful feature when you want to track your application history, follow up on opportunities, or simply keep tabs on where you've submitted your resume. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Indeed.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Indeed account using your credentials. This ensures you have access to your personalized dashboard where all your application history is stored. After logging in successfully, you'll land on Indeed's main page where you can see job recommendations and various features. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a saved icon there which looks like a bookmark or a flag depending on your browser and Indeed's current interface. Go ahead and click on this saved icon. This action will take you to a section where Indeed stores all your saved and applied job listings, making it easy to revisit opportunities you've been interested in. Once you're in this section, look at the top navigation menu. You'll see several tabs including options like Save Jobs, Applied, and possibly others depending on your account settings. Click on the Applied tab. This is the key step because it filters your view to show exclusively the jobs you've actually submitted applications for, rather than just the ones you've bookmarked to apply later. After clicking Applied, the page will refresh and display a comprehensive list of all the jobs you've applied for through Indeed. You'll be able to see important details like the job title, company name, when you applied, and the current status of your application. This view is incredibly helpful for keeping track of your job search progress and deciding which companies you might want to follow up with or check back on. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your complete application history on Indeed, giving you a clear overview of all your job search efforts in one convenient location. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.